Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the week in review. So for this week, we did the top 10 and top 20 of the Ethereum coins besides the top 10 of, the market cap. The reason why we're doing Ethereum coins this week, the reason why I chose is because I think Ethereum is very, very close to a bottom. I feel very, very, very close to the bottom. I suspect that Ethereum is going to head towards like 1,250, 1,300, somewhere between 1,003 and 1,002. And I think that's it's very close, in my opinion. It's very, very close to a bottom. 1,003. Where is this? Yo, bro. 1,003 to 1,002. I think it's a great, great place to put on an entry, in my humble opinion. So I think this is an area that everybody wants to be looking at. You would want to be looking at as well, because I really, truly, strongly feel like a squeeze is coming on for Ethereum. So that is why we're looking at the coins that are orbiting Ethereum's coins that are orbiting Ethereum. Yes, sir. So I mean, of course, the most obvious ones are like Ethereum name service, Lido, yeah. So of the coins that we did this week, right? The ones that, in my opinion, has huge potential is Maker, right? So Maker is one of those that has a very, very nice squeeze coming on as well. Can you see this? It's fantastic. It's fantastic. I just can't hop enough for Maker. So if and when Ethereum drops, hits the range that has been highlighted, very likely you're going to see Maker start reversing as well. Very likely. I suspect Maker might already found its bottom over here. But of course, we're still under the skinny pink line. So anything is still possible, which means that we could still hit much lower. Right, I'm still anticipating these lows to be taken out and for Maker to head towards like 650, which is another 50% drop. Will we drop 50%? I don't know. But Maker looks beautiful to me. Absolutely beautiful. The next one that we took a look was KuCoin shares. Right, KuCoin shares also has a very, very, very nice KCS USD. Yes, sir. So KuCoin shares, in my opinion, is also in a very nice squeeze. Right, we might just squeeze here and break out. Right, falling channel. We might just do this. So if and when Ethereum hits its entry range, very likely all the other coins are going to hit bottom as well. And then there should be a rally. So Maker, KuCoin shares, what else? Where else? Nope. Lido, right? So LDO USDT on Binance, it might not be as obvious, but if you look at it on Gate, Lido is in a squeeze. We're in a squeeze. We're very close to the bottom as well, in my opinion. The noisy area, in my opinion, is here. I mean, if you were to ask me, right, where do I think the bottom is? 50 cents. 50 cents. Okay, where's the... Let me change this color to purple. Purple is royalty. So 50 cents, in my opinion, is a very good entry for Lido. Right? The reason why Lido, in my opinion, is going to do well is because DeFi Llama, TVL, Ethereum, chain. Okay, it will bring us to Lido. So if you look at Lido, right, total value locked is 14.5 billion, just under Aave. 14 billion locked. I'm like, what? Yeah, so if and when Ethereum goes ballistics, very, very likely Lido is going to go ballistic as well. So yeah, and I think we're getting it at a steal at 50 cents. I think Lido could do banana moves towards the upside, right? We have a target here, $45, which we acquired way back in 2023. I still think we're going to hit $45. So I feel like 50 cents. I mean, of course, Lido can always drop to zero for sure, right? Can always drop to zero. But if things go according to plan, very likely you're going to see Lido I mean, if we get in at 50 cents, right? Do a potential 100x, absolute 100x, 1,000 becomes 100,000, right? Potentially. So for you to do 100x, $52. We'll be going to $52. Can we do that? Sure, of course. Of course. Yeah, again, Lido, I think Lido is gonna do fantastic eventually. So yeah, we may not go that high though. We may reacquire targets if and when we complete squeeze over here. Right. We may reacquire targets. So we're gonna have to take things one step at a time. I think 50 cents is a fantastic area to get in for Lido. I think Lido is underrated. Right. There's also BTT. Okay, so BTT is also in a squeeze. BTT is Justin Sun's pet. So if you look at BTT on Bybit, we are also in a squeeze. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Very likely we're gonna get another lower high eventually. And once we are done, yeah, BTT is gonna do fantastic in my opinion. So yeah, again, this is noisy area. I don't know if we're gonna be taking out these sell clusters. I suspect we may just stop here. Would be awesome if you could take out the sell clusters over here, dropping down to 4,005 right now at 5,009. So again, I also feel that the bottom is just not too far away for BTT. I think BTT is going to do fantastic as well, if and when the time comes. Pancake Swap is another one. Pancake is, of course, another chain by itself, right? But I think Pancake Swap is also going to do fantastic. It's also in a very nice big squeeze, right? Again, we might drop a little bit to clear all these sell clusters as well, right? Potentially dropping another like 33%. I'm not too sure if that's going to happen because this is also a squeeze in itself. We might just zip out from here. So again, keep your eyes on all of these coins, right? Pancake Swap. Yeah, that's it. Pancake Swap, BTT, Lido, Maker, Pukan Shares. These 5 coins are the coins that you want to be looking at once you see Ethereum. It's bottom, the buy area, I would say 1,003 to 1,002. Anything around here is fantastic, right? And Ethereum, in my opinion, is going to do not exactly 10x, right? I'm expecting it to head towards 10,000 eventually. So 10,000 is like, yeah, about 700% from 1220. So potentially you're going to see banana moves on all the other coins that's orbiting Ethereum. So those are the 5 coins that you want to be looking at, which we've taken a look at this week. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I mean, if you're not really sure, right, and you're not comfortable putting on it into any other coin, other than Ethereum, then I think Ethereum is also fantastic, right? To go up 700%. So yeah, I think 700% is a lot of money. So yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great week. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.